and Ciara had auditions for her. I don't know what it's for, honestly. I learned the dance that they taught us and everything. Was doing it, killing it. Right before they called my number, I had a panic attack. I'm pretty sure I cried that whole night. Like cried the whole night. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I got me some chicken. Y'all know if it ain't seafood, it's probably gonna be chicken. Anyway, check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. Let them know AyooTravv sent you. Boom. Check out the Cordell's water bottle. Get 10% off your order. All you gotta do is type in the word code. Let's get checkout. I'm about to say grace because I'm hungry. Father God, I come to you today to ask you to watch over this food. Please let it be a nourishment to my body. Please let me digest this food properly. In your name I pray. Amen, amen. One more time. Amen. Don't know where I want to start, but I just know that I need to start. Take my sauce off of there. Y'all already know. I got the sweet and sour with the hot sauce. How was y'all day going today? Mine is long. Long. I worked 15 hours today. 5 to 8. 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. Left work. Went straight to get there. And now here I am with my peoples. Now this is good. Sorry if y'all hear my neighbors outside. I actually never met them before or ever heard them before. So that's weird, but whatever. Oh, these were fresh out the grease, you could tell. They still hot. Just like a light. I can't even get it open. Got ham and my teeth so quick. Y'all know I love egg roll. Is there egg in the egg roll? Is that a dumb question? I wonder. Y'all can't get it open. But it's good though. Have y'all ever doubted yourself? Like doubted the work that you do? Or what you're capable of? I think that's what I'm gonna talk about today. People do that a lot. I want to do. It's like we be our own worst enemy, y'all. Because people can tell you that you great. People can say all day long that you great. But if you don't feel like you great deep down inside, you ain't never going to get nowhere. So it's like we tell ourselves you're not good enough, you're not this, you're not that, for whatever reason. And we start to believe it, so our fear overtakes reasoning. Our brain and our body reacts off fear. I ain't gonna lie. That be me. I've doubted myself more times than I should have. And I probably caused myself failure because power's in the tongue. So if people are like, oh, I'm not going to get this job, I'm not going to do that, I'm not going to be able to do that, it's going to happen. Excuse me. He's spoken into existence. Or you psych yourself out. So I'm gonna tell y'all a story. I was in high school, and Ciara had auditions for her. I don't know what it's for, honestly, but it's for people of all ages. So, like I said, I went. I was in high school, and I could dance, and I knew I could dance. I learned the dance that they taught us, and everything. Was doing it, killing it. In practice, just going crazy. But then when it was time to audition, y'all, excuse me, right before they called my number, I had a panic attack. Because I started doubting myself. And I was like, no, you're not good enough for this. Don't, they're not going to pick you, blah, blah, blah. So I started having a panic attack. Yeah. My mom calmed me down. I went back into the room. I did the dance. Tried to. When I'm gonna do dance. They turned on the music, y'all. I could see my mom through the window cheering me on. I did the first move and I stopped. I stopped. Because I was nervous. And I doubted myself. Needless to say, I did not get picked. But I say that to say, I messed my own self up. I was doing good, y'all. I was killing it in the practice. Especially compared to, that was something that had me stand out because I was younger. And a lot of people there, they were grown. But I wasn't grown. So it was like I kind of stood out. But then, I stood out a bad way. So, I cannot remember that dance to save my life. I beat myself up, y'all. After I beat myself up, because I was like, why would you let yourself, why would you take yourself to that own point? Why would you tell yourself that you're not good enough? Or that you can't do this? So, it got to a point where I won't dance no more. I won't do nothing. I was embarrassed. Yeah. I was embarrassed. That's actually probably lack of better terminology. I was sick to my stomach. I'm pretty sure I cried that whole night. Like, cried the whole night. Back when I used to dance my butt off. I'm old now. These bones don't work where they used to. Huh. I used to dance. Dance was life. Yeah, I actually let other people stop me from dancing. Partially. I don't say 100%. But like the industry is so cold. And it's not even just the dance industry. This is entertainment, period. People will sell their mothers to get fame. It was like so many people just stepping on other people's toes for no reason. And I ain't like that because I feel like I don't have to try to dim your light to make mine shine bright. I'm going to shine bright regardless. But they don't think like that. They're nothing like that. Y'all, these wings are good as hell. But, yeah. Ain't nothing worse than telling yourself no. Or telling yourself you can't. Ain't no worse than that. Y'all, my teeth is super. I'm over it. I'm not about to fight with that. I'm over it. Excuse me. Yeah. I'd rather hear 100 no's from 100 different people than hear myself say no. I'd rather hear 100 people say, you don't have what it takes, than for me to hear myself say I don't have what it takes. Whew. That was good. That was good. That was a stubborn piece of chicken. My bad, y'all. The camera cut off. And I was just eating. And eating and eating and eating and eating and eating. But yeah. Y'all, we gotta start making sure that we believe in ourselves. Because if we don't believe in ourselves, who the hell gonna believe in you? You know what I'm saying? If we can't take yourself serious, nobody will. I wonder why we do that. Why do we put ourselves down? Why? Why? That's all. I'm full. We get the library. All right, y'all. We got to go ahead and get out of here. I got some editing to do. But before I go, I just wanted to reiterate. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody else is going to believe in you. If you have a dream, put that dream first. Don't wait on nobody to come and motivate you or to push you. That push yourself. Make your dreams come true. Excuse me. Make your dreams come true, y'all. You don't have to rely on somebody I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to sign off on this, to sign off on that. No, do it today. Do it today. Because you're doing nothing but prolonging yourself. And you're giving yourself more of a reason to think that you can't. The longer you wait, the more time go by. And then you feel like it's too late. It's never, ever, ever too late, y'all, to follow your dreams. Put yourself first. Put your dream first. If you have a goal in mind, stick to it. Find a good plan, y'all. Follow that yellow brick road until the end. Until you find a whiz. Keep going, y'all. That's just a little message from AyooTravv to you. Anywho, check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. Let them know AyooTravv sent you. If you haven't already, boom. Check out the Coach Water Bottle. Link is in the description box below as well. Type in the word code to get 10% off your order. That's it. That's all. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the red button, turn the great so you can be notified every time I do a video. If you want to stay connected with AyooTravv, boom. Jump back into the description box and scroll all the way down to the bottom. You won't be mad. Go see my social media. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that. Y'all already know. Add me, follow me. Leave me a comment on Instagram. Leave me a DM on Instagram. Leave me a comment on do whatever. Let me know what's like, what you don't like, what you want to see, what you want to say, what you want to say, what you don't need, what you want to need. All of that. Let me know. Other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out. Peace.